So what's going on with BBIG? Because the CTB minimum is going over the 300 again. This is the return share, and this is live short interest data for BBIG. And again, we have an important question for BBIG. A lot of people ask about it. What happened for dividends and still happening? Any new dates? So some say it's at the end of this month with the Q2. However, there's a really important thing that we have to discuss for BBIG regarding this. It will be after this date, after the Q2, because the dilution vote, which will be counted at the 7/1 meeting, if they can dilute this, they will. So this is why everybody should vote no for the third time. I have a feeling if they get a yes for the third time, they will continue to delay Tide spin-off until a share dilution vote passes. So if we go to the technical, we can see that the price is still holding this important support, the $1.90. This is important level that we said before, because it is right now technically we doing double bottom. Last time we tested this support was around the 14th of March. You remember the moment that we tested, we have the price jump up and holding this ascending line that we talked about before. The moment that we broke this ascending line here around the 27th of May, we entered a bearish momentum, and what we expect holding above the 190 if we don't want to go around the $1.60, and that's what happened. And now still the $2.20 is the resistance for BBIG. We have again a test today, perfect bounce, and we have a wick. If we go closer, you can see it. We tested and the price went down directly. What we should is back to really pretty clear for me. For BBIG, if we want to confirm that is ready to jump before the Q2 for the end of this month, is holding above the $2. This will confirm that this is our bottom, and BBIG ready to break the $2.20 for the next week. So the $2 is psychological level. If we held it, we confirm higher lows and exploding again near this resistance. The next time we're gonna test the resistance, if we break the $2.20 for BBIG, is the $2.58. Let's go to RDBX, because we exploded 600% from the $2 until the $17. And what we said in our last video that we did here on the June 14, when the price was consolidating around the $8.90, we said this support is strong. We're gonna hold it. If we hold it, we're gonna test again what the 1343, and we're gonna see a rejection. And this resistance today we tested, and the price went down as we expected from the last video that we did on June 14. We already talked about, even on our Patreon, we always do live alerts for our hunter. If you want to join, the link in comment section below, or the notification will pop up here to take you directly to Patreon. What we said, 1343. We tested today and the price went down as we expected. We need to hold this support. Let me just bring my ascending line. This will confirm that we still continue to go up. The $9 should hold to confirm that next time we gonna overcome the 1340. Then the squeeze area is the 1740 for RDBX to go to the 25. And again, we need to hold this ascending line if we don't want to see the price go lower around the $5.12, like what happened to BBIG. Exactly the same scenario. If we don't hold this ascending line, we're gonna see a price going below to find another support. So for RDBX, just watch out for this ascending line perfectly above the $9. There's another stock's been requested for Patreon hunters, and which is HMTXF, and this one is been in a bullish trend since February, and we did almost 100%. However, there is an important level to overcome, which is the 29, or let's say the 30 cent. If we overcome it the next time, because we already tested so many times since April, May, and June, and we get rejected, you see, this selling pressure. However, we're still confirming that we have a support around this ascending line. If we held it, we're going to see a consolidation, then a breaking. If we broke the 0.30 cent, we're going to have a test around this exponential average around the 0.40 cent. So we could actually make a profit almost 30% for this one. MULN is jumping as well because it's held and found support above the $1. And what we said before, we need to hold above this line, the red line, to confirm continuation of bullish trend around this ascending line. And that's what happened perfectly. As we said, right now we need to overcome the $1.55 to continue to the $2 squeeze for MULN. We have summer exclusive up to 10 free stocks, additional 5 free stock with any deposit. When you open your account, you can get $3 free, and as well those stock you can win as well if you open an account with my exclusive link in comment section below, or the notification will pop up here, will take you directly to win one of those stocks. You have Fuel Cell Energy, AMC, Tesla, Apple, and many more, and those stocks worth from $3 until $2,500 each. If you are a US resident, you have zero commission when trading US stocks. So use this opportunity and get your free stock with my exclusive link in comment section below with Momo. So if we go to the SPY and we see what's going on, we are down 3.60% today, nearing this support, the 356. As we said here, we're gonna have a strong support for the SPY and we need to hold it. This should be the bottom. In the few days or the next week, we're gonna see a really nice correction for the whole market if we just test around the $3.55. And again, we need to see a signal for reversal, which is accumulation, holding and forming 4-hour candle, like what happened here. After this sell-off, we see a green candle, a 4-hour candle forming the moment that we have like a test around this ascending line. We need to have the same reaction when the SPY go near the 355. We need to see a signal for massive institution buying, so we could actually buy with them and capitalize on this opportunity when the market is starting to reverse. So we're gonna do live streaming after this video, so make sure to come and bring your question. Crypto, stocks, we're gonna discuss everything, and let's get ready to hunt. See you in the next video.